Hello everyone. In the episode of Reviews Pro today, we are talking about top 5 best outdoor griddles in this year. And if you want to see the price and find out more information about this outdoor griddles, you can check out the links down in the description. Also click subscribe at the button to stay up to date with the latest reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Brasero Portable 26-inch. The Bracero Portable 26-inch comes with 2 stainless steel burners with 2 separate control knobs. This gas griddle delivers the smoke-free and flare-free cooking. Moreover, the gas griddle comes with no carcinogenic contains. The gas griddle also comes at a pocket-friendly price. The construction of this gas griddle is eco-friendly. This gas griddle is suitable for cooking both the large and small amount of foods. The stainless steel body of the gas griddle allows easy cleaning. This gas griddle also comes with the enameled cast iron griddle. Furthermore, this gas griddle has an included gas regulator to fit a fuel tank. The gas griddle comes in a vinyl bag for easy storage and transportability. This gas griddle is ideal for camping, hiking, road trips or other outdoor activities. You can cook tender foods, such as marinated fish, vegetables, egg and so on with this gas griddle. To conclude, if you are looking for a quality and a reliable outdoor griddles that justifies its price tag and offers more value with its performance, then the Bracero Portable 26-inch is the one that you are looking for. At number 4, we have Royal Gourmet Regal GB2000. The Royal Gourmet Regal GB2000 made of high-quality stainless steel. This gas griddle requires propane gas as a fuel. The gas griddle also has the 449 square inch cooking surface and a 3.5mm thickness griddle top. Moreover, the gas griddle comes with a pair of separately controllable stainless steel tube burner. This gas griddle has the total cooking power of 26,000 BTUs. The electronic ignition system of this gas griddle delivers a super fast ignition all the time. The gas griddle also has 2 folding side tables. Furthermore, the tables provide to have more working space to place accessories and other cooking items. The tables have the loading capacity of 25 pounds. The large grease collecting container at the bottom of the gas griddle helps to grill foods for a longer time. The long-lasting shelf of this gas griddle provides you with an easy storage option. The 4 industrial-grade caster wheels of the gas grill allow easy portability. Overall, I strongly recommend you consider the Royal Gourmet Regal GB2000, and if you ever decide to purchase it, you will assure yourself of how quality it is. At number 3, we have Royal Gourmet Portable PD1201. This Royal Gourmet Portable PD1201 consists of 12,000 BTUs of cooking power. The 2 individually controllable burners deliver the even heat for even and fast cooking all the time. The stainless steel cooking surface of this gas griddle is also easily cleanable with warm water or paper towel. Moreover, the stainless steel control panel of this gas griddle includes the piezo ignition system. The side grease cup catches the oil while cooking. You can have less fat food when you cook with this gas griddle. The gas griddle also requires a 1 pound of propane tank as the fuel. Furthermore, this gas griddle has the tabletop designed for easy transportability. The push ignition button of this gas griddle allows an easy and fast ignition. This gas griddle is the perfect cookware for your camping, tailgating, hiking or other outdoor activities. This compact design of this gas griddle allows easy cooking. To conclude, the Royal Gourmet Portable PD1201 is worthy of considering because this unit has everything needed that will promise you an unforgettable user experience. At number 2, we have Cuisinart CGG 501 Gourmet. The Cuisinart CGG 501 Gourmet gas griddle has 2 individually controllable burners. The gas griddle also comes with a 285 square inch cooking surface. Moreover, this gas griddle produces a total amount of 20,000 BTUs of heat. The twist start of this gas griddle permits a quick and easy ignition. You can control the heat with 2 separate knobs. The extra thick and cold rolled steel surface of this gas griddle provides proper durability. The inbuilt hose of this gas griddle is only to fit a 20-pound LP tank. The design of this gas griddle also allows easy portability. Furthermore, this gas griddle is suitable for camping, tailgating, hiking, and other outdoor activities. The large cooking surface of this gas griddle allows you to cook a full steak meal without any hassle. This outdoor gas griddle has the durable stainless construction. This is one of the best outdoor griddles that come at a pocket-friendly price. To conclude, if you are looking for a quality and a reliable outdoor griddles that justifies its price tag and offers more value with its performance, then the Cuisinart CGG 501 Gourmet is the one that you are looking for. And finally at number 1, we have the Camp Chef Flattop Grill 600. The Camp Chef Flattop Grill 600 have 4 pieces of gas griddle burner deliver the 12,000 BTUs of heat output. The 4 industrial-grade caster wheels of the gas grill also offer easy portability. Moreover, the gas griddle comes with a 501 square inch grilling and 604 square inch of griddle surface. This gas griddle consists of a large interchangeable flat top griddle with a measurement of 20.5 x 31 inch. With the help of the stainless steel burners, the griddle requires no matches or lighter to ignite it. This gas griddle with compact design also supports easy portability. Furthermore, the gas griddle includes 2 large folding slide sleeves to hold the necessary ingredients for cooking. The non-stick surface of this gas griddle allows easy cleaning. This cookware is perfect for outdoor cooking, like a picnic, road trips and so on. The outdoor gas griddle comes with a cost-effective price. Overall, I strongly recommend you consider the Camp Chef Flattop Grill 600, and if you ever decide to purchase it, you will assure yourself of how quality it is. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. And if you have any questions related to this outdoor griddles, you can leave a comment down below. I will hit you up as soon as I can.